Good morning, dear students. We are moving to the workbook of the English, and in the first chapter, we are having a link lesson, the link lesson of the first chapter in the reader, The Selfish Giant. So, in the Selfish Giant, we saw about the transformation of the giant. He was really selfish in the initial part of the story, and after that, he turned into a good person, was really generous. So, just like that, we are discussing here about the kindness. So, the name of the chapter is Storing Kindness. You ever heard about the term community refrigerator or storing kindness in a refrigerator? This is about the community refrigerator, which provides food for the people who are not having enough food, who don't have the capacity to buy a wholesome meal for their lunch. So, these are the fridges or the refrigerators placed in the town. The generous, kind people can load the fridge with food. Anyone can keep ready to eat food in the refrigerator, and the needy can consume the same. So it was first introduced in Germany and Spain in the year 2012. Later, many countries adapted the phenomenon. And in 2017, the a network of community fridges introduced in Britain. It was first introduced in India in the year 2017 by a Tamil Nadu non-governmental organization called a public foundation in Chennai and Bangalore. And the name of the project was the Public Fridge. Similar initiatives were begun in the other parts of the country like Mumbai, Kochi, Gurugram in Haryana after that, and they are also providing with food packets in the community refrigerators. The hotel people also joined in this venture. They also provide the food for the people, for the community refrigerators. So we can move to the explanation of the story. So this is a story of an innovative way of sharing. Read about the innovative way of sharing. Have you ever heard of a refrigerator, fridge, that is loaded with kindness? This is the concept of a community fridge. A community fridge is a refrigerator with food stored in it and is located in a public place. So, a community fridge is a refrigerator with food stored in it and it is placed in a common place. Anyone who is hungry can take the food, hygiene food from the refrigerator and have it. Anyone can keep ready to eat food in it, and the needy can take them out and consume healthy and nutritious food. It is about how we are storing the kindness for the others. It is about the kindness and generosity of people to ensure that everyone in the town is getting food in the right time. So, in this paragraph, it is clearly saying about the kindness which is storing in a refrigerator. In the community fridges, which is placed in the town, anyone can keep the ready to eat food in the refrigerator, and the needy can come over there and eat nutritious and hygiene food. Community fridges are a recent phenomenon. The first community fridge was set up in Germany and Spain in the year 2012. The idea spread across the world, and in 2017, a network of community fridges was established in Britain. So, the idea was a recent phenomenon. It was introduced in the year 2012 only, and it was first introduced in Germany and Italy in the year 2012. After that, it was widely introduced in Britain in 2017. It was introduced in India for the first time when a Tamil Nadu based non governmental organization called the Public Foundation established the public fridge in Chennai and Bangalore in the year 2017. So, the same concept was introduced in India also in the year 2017 by a Tamil Nadu non governmental organization called the Public Foundation. The name of the project was the Public Fridge, and it was first introduced in Chennai and Bangalore. So, coming to the next paragraph, similar initiatives were successfully begun in Mumbai, Kochi, and Gurugram, Haryana. Each of these fridges can store a certain number of food packets depends on the expected number of users. So, it depends upon the expected number of users. The fridge will be filled. Such initiatives were introduced in Mumbai, Kochi, and Gurugram. Gurugram is a city in Haryana. So, in these places also, the concept introduced, and they are filling as per the needs of the people. One of the community fridges in Bangalore, for example, stores a minimum of 50 food packets. So, a community fridge in Bangalore, they are expecting 50 people. 50 people will come for their food packets. So, they are filling the fridge with 50 food packets. Similarly, the one in Gurugram stores 35 to 40 packets, while the fridge in Kochi stores 50 packets of food. The community fridges in Mumbai feed a total of 300 people every day. Mumbai is a big city, and a number of community fridges were there in the city. So, a total of 300 packets were keeping in the community fridges of Mumbai. Local restaurants and hotel have started storing cooked leftover food in these community fridges. So, the nearby hotels, local hotels also start cooperating with this concept, and they are also providing food for the community fridges. Less fortunate citizens of the society, the poor people in the society, can come over there who cannot afford wholesome meals. So they can't afford, they don't have enough money to buy wholesome meals. They will be the beneficiaries of these community fridges. Can pick up neatly packed hygienic food of their choice from these refrigerators. They can choose different people filling the community fridges with different food. So the people who are coming to take the food, they can choose from the packets. Moving to the next paragraph, the last paragraph of the story. Organizers are now faced with the challenge of keeping these refrigerators clean, as some of them are open all through the day. Some of the fridges are open throughout the day, and the organizers feeling it difficult to clean the fridge every day. Contributors therefore have to ensure that food is deposited in a clean, disposable containers which can be discarded after use. So contributors, to avoid the environmental issue, the contributors, the people who are providing food, they must ensure that the food which they are giving will be clean, hygiene, and it should be in disposable containers. After use, they can easily discard. Further, contributors are advised to label each packet in terms of date of cooking and date of expiry. So, the people who are providing the food, it should be labeled clearly with the date of making and the date of expiry. While this innovation is adding cheer, it is also raising consciousness about the need to stop food wastage. So, it is a help for the needy. At the same time, we should ensure that the food is not wasting. So, the lesson is about a wonderful concept, the concept of generosity and kindness. So, people who are always ready to help others, they can help through this community fridge. Read the story a couple of times, understand the wonderful concept of storing kindness. We will meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.